Today we're taking a look at Ripple's XRP coin, performing some technical analysis and making some predictions on where we can expect to see XRP go in the near future. Let's get into it. Welcome back into Ripple's XRP chart, guys. If you're looking to buy XRP or want some free Bitcoin, there are a couple of links down in the description of today's video. And as we all know, the market took a hit. Ripple was certainly not one to avoid that as well, and it unfortunately dropped. Right now we are sitting at a value of 42 cents, so not fantastic at the moment. We hit a low on the 12th of May, and that low was 33 cents. So we have bounced back a bit from there, but immediately the pattern that I can see which has formed is one of a reverse flag pattern. Now this is a bearish pattern, guys. Keep that in mind. This is a very bearish pattern, and basically what it shows us is that we're going to break, and we're going to break in a downwards direction, and it looks like that downwards direction may have just broken as well. Right now we can see that that first line has been smashed, and that was yesterday. It looks like a little bit of a bounce back so far today, but really not much, and not much volume coming through either. So realistically, it looks like we're going to continue in a downwards direction. Zooming out a bit, can we see any levels of support that could help us at this point in time? And I'm suspecting where we did drop to the other day is a major point of support, and it certainly looks like that is the case. So I'm going to put in a horizontal support line right about here. At this point in time, that is the first target for us in today's video. It's looking like, obviously, with a breakdown, you go down and you move into those areas of support. So support is sitting right now at 33 cents. If we were somehow to bounce in an upwards direction, what would the target be then? Well, we need to put in place, I suppose, a point of, I guess, a target, an ultimate target, a wishful target if that, but this is a resistance point, and it's going to be our horizontal resistance point. It's going to be at 50 cents, and you can see a few bounces off that, and it's been a major point historically as well. So that is sort of where we are sitting at from a chart perspective. Volume wise, interestingly enough, we have seen a big spike in volume on a green day, and that's when we tried to break out the top of that flag pattern. Now it was on the 13th of May, and we hit a value of 46 cents, unfortunately, though falling short and coming back down. Let's take a look at a few more indicators to see if they can help us out as well, guys. First and foremost, RSI. You can see we have come out of the oversold range, as you expect, with a little bit of an uptick, but we are still very low. RSI currently sitting at 32.16, and I'm expecting it to hover in these low regions due to the selling pressure in the overall crypto market. Unless we see a big reversal in the market overall, XRP is not going to perform too well, and it's going to sink down to that 33 cent mark. Now let's have a quick look at one more indicator, the MACD. Now this is always a telling one, and this is showing something quite interesting. You can see right now the MACD is showing that the 12-day EMA and the 26-day EMA are now starting to move closer together. If we see a convincing cross of the 12-day EMA above the 26-day EMA, that could be a catalyst for a breakout. You can see as well that the red period we've had here has peaked, and it is now coming down. Of course, if we see a shallow cross, something similar to this, then unfortunately we will certainly continue in our overall downwards trajectory. All in all, things aren't looking fantastic at the moment. You can see we're sitting below all three of our moving averages, our lowest being the 20-day moving average at 53 cents. Once that comes down even further, it's going to act as a major point of resistance for us at the 50 cent mark. Although at the pace we are currently moving, it does not look like we are going to get there. So unfortunately, today's target is going to be that 33 cent mark. That wraps up today's analysis of Ripple's XRP, guys. I'd love to hear your thoughts down in the comment section below. Of course, if you did enjoy today's video, make sure you do leave a thumbs up. And if you want to see more of this sort of content, hit subscribe and turn on those bell notifications. I'll leave it there for today, guys. I hope you have an awesome day. I'll see you next time. Cheers.